Good morning, buenos dias. Today I gotta take the Jeep right now over to Outlaw OffRoad 4x4. They gotta fix my knuckle on the front because it is missing a screw. So they're gonna go ahead and fix that. And another thing I wanted to show, how do you like my shirt? My new shirt here. If a couple people like it, maybe want to order one, or a couple. If I get enough subscribers, maybe I'll start making them for order. So let's get out of here and get on the road.
We are on our way to Off-Road 4x4. They don't open on Saturdays, but sometimes they do some work, and he promised me that he would be fixing my knuckle as soon as he could. So I guess he opened up today and gave me a call yesterday and said, come on by and I'll go ahead and get your Jeep done, because he knows I work Monday through Friday, which is something that a lot of mechanics will do. So I'm very appreciative. And if you're somewhere close by here and you need a mechanic for your Jeep, I highly recommend Off-Road 4x4. Mike, you call over there, talk to Mike, tell him D-Toy Jeep recommended you. He'll take care of you. If I can record at his shop. Some people don't like recording. If he gives me permission, I do little clips here and there of the installation on my knuckle on the driver's side. If not, I'll just give you an update when it's done, and I'll show you the work that was completed. For those of you that are just tuning in, never been to my channel, Outlaw OffRoad 4x4, it's right here on the right hand side. We're coming up to it.
At your
Here
destination.
we are. You can see it's on the right hand side. Alright, here we go. At Outlaws Off-Road, and it's 352-586-9328. Anybody who's interested can give him a call. You can see he does any kind of service, lift kits, custom roll cages. He's got a couple Cherokees here. He's got a couple, sorry about that, Jeeps in there. And like I said, see, it's closed, but he's actually going to come in a few minutes and go ahead and complete my job, the knuckles on my Jeep.
Alright, I'm out here at Off-Road. It's got these tires for sale if anybody's interested. There are different sizes, so you would have to call him and see what he has. I'm not going to stand here and try to look at every single one, but they are huge. The ones he said are really not for sale, these 40 Mickey Thompsons, but you can call him and he can get you some. There's some bigger ones here. I think these are 40 also. These are not new, but he'll give you a great price on them. These are new, but they're hard to come by right now. And like I said, his repairs, upgrades, modifications, as you can see here. Repairs, upgrades, modification, and maintenance. You can find him on Facebook. Here's a body of I want to say it's an LJ because it's long on the back. I guess he's making here. I don't know what year it is. Comment on the bottom if you know. It's pretty cool. But he's going to go ahead and allow me to record some of the work that he's going to be doing. The Rubicon he's working on. Keys are... Yeah.
These were the ones that were actually trying to hold, and those are the ones that shot the bed, if you will.
Yeah.
And obviously those guys are brand new.
Because those screws are what, to hold the caliper?
To hold the caliper on, yes sir. If you look on the caliper, the way these brakes fit in there, it's very, very difficult for them to come out by themselves anyways. But like we talked about, it's a bolt and a brake system. It's supposed to be there.
Yeah.
So they basically go through here and screw into the back of here, hold it to, you know, the knuckle fits in between here.
Yeah.
So that secures it in place. But the rotor, the pad itself locks down onto here and here, and it kind of holds it in place. But if it's bolts on the brakes, we want bolts on the brakes.
Yeah.
It's a little bit, what do they call it, redundant or whatever. They make a couple of safety things in case that happens, but it's still, you can't, when it comes to brakes and steering, you can't have enough safety things. Kind of important. Shoot the ball joints a little bit of grease. Hello.
Alright, I'm done here. He put the knuckle on. I had to pump the brakes. It's so far so good. We were talking for a while. I'm gonna have him do more work on my Jeep. So if you stay tuned to the channel, you can follow back with more work that's gonna be done. You know, if you're on a Jeep, it's never ending. But Mike is a great guy. And I didn't tell you, he is so great that I didn't have my lock for my wheels. I live 20 minutes away, literally. He told me, go home, get the lock, I'll wait for you, come back, and I'll still do the work. Who would have done that when, first of all, today's Saturday, he does not open on Saturday. Would have been somebody else that would have been like, well, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. So if you need any work done, you live close by, highly recommend it. Highly, highly recommend it. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.